Okay. What are we doing? What's going on? Who are you? Are you the beast?
No. I am Audrey.
You're Audrey?
I got snow in my face.
You got snow on your face. How did you get snow on your face? Where are we? Do you think if we tug your mask up, it would keep the snow off your face? Where did you just go? Huh?
Hey!
Hey, what? What are we doing? We're gonna go roll up some ramps? Are we at the skate park? Is it snowing? All those things are happening, right? It's snowing. We're at the skate park. It's very cold. We're here to play. Play in the cold. I have to change hands with the camera. That might be a little tricky since there's not a strap on that side. He's got to take his glove off. You don't like that sock mitt neither, do you? Well, okay, here we go. First ramp. Whoa!
I want to go to steps.
You want to do what?
I want to go up the steps.
You want to go up the steps? How are you going to do that? Wait a minute, are you pushing yourself? If I can get up here. You pushing yourself. Where are you going? Push. Push. Audrey. Where'd you go, baby? Oh, you're rolling now. Can you roll toward me? Can you come get me? What are you thinking right now? You like the snow?
Look!
Look, what are we looking at? Up the big ramp?
No!
No. No? You don't want to do this one? Show me how you feel about this one.
A puddle.
A puddle.
A puddle.
A puddle. Oh, you're rolling yourself. Where are you rolling yourself toward? Where do you see a puddle? Can you roll toward it? What puddle are you looking at? Are you looking at that one? Are you looking at that puddle over there? Can you roll toward the puddle? Can you roll toward the puddle? Can you do it? Here's the big puddle.
I can find it.
Roll toward the big puddle. Roll toward the big puddle. There you go. Push those wheels. Use both hands. Use both hands. Uh-huh. Yeah. Did you go somewhere? You just enjoying the snow? Snow's probably not picking even up on camera. Show the snow in your hair though. We never got around to this ramp, did we?
The snowman one. No.
Woo! About as wide. Yeah, there we go. It's as wide as it gets, folks. Woo! Is it cold? Half pipe time is here. Woo. Woo.
I snow.
Is it snowing?
Ava, we can. It's not good.
I gotta be careful not to slip.
Be careful.
Yeah, it's wet and kind of icy.
Be careful. You might get stuck in there.
Oh wait, we found a new trick.
Lie down with the ice. We have the ice.
Who is the world's best father-daughter wheelchair skateboard parkour champion? That is us. Because it's a sport we're inventing as we go. Oh, we gotta fix that. That is no good. But it's cold, isn't it, Audrey?
The ice. We got the ice.
Look out. Where are we going?
The ice. Oh no.
Oh no. Do we need to get back inside because it's cold?
No, wait.
No, wait. Okay. What? Go. Get to it.
We can't.
Get to it.
The ice.
The ice. Oh my goodness. Yes, it's freezing cold. We have to rescue Princess Fiona. Or do we need to rescue somebody?
And jump.
And jump.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, jump.
I jumped. Do you like jumping? Here, let's roll and let's jump. When do we jump?
Whee!
Whee!
We got big leap.
What? Oh, we didn't do this ramp over here. We gotta do this ramp.
We gotta do. No, don't.
No, you don't want to do this ramp? Let's do it one more time. One more time for this ramp at the skate park. Woo! All right.
The ramp is.
What now? Oh, you got the mitten off. Your hand's gonna get cold. You know that, right? Hey, look who's that on the camera. Is that the beast? Is that the beast? Who is that?
Audrey.
No, you're Audrey. Which way should we turn, child about to lose the second makeshift mitten? Should we turn left or right?
Wow.
Left? Can you come up the sidewalk? Can you come to me? Can you come to me? Can you come to me?
A train.
A train. Where do you see a train? Oh, there goes the second mitten.
Train. I want to get. Oh.
Oh, that train over there? Can you roll toward that train? Can you make sure you don't fall off the sidewalk? That's pretty cool. Your hands are gonna get very cold. Oh, there we go. Do you need help getting to the train? I'm happy to help because it's very cold. Look, there we are. There's the train.
There's a tree.
What? We made it to the train. What do you see now? Do you see a tree? Where is a tree? Oh my gosh, I think I see it. Let's make sure you stay on that sidewalk now. Whoops. There we go. There's that tree. Let's go to it. Let's roll toward it. Come on. Are you eating snow? Do you want to roll toward that tree? Do you need those mittens back on your hands? Back on your hands? Okay. What can I do with them? Here they are. Can you hold that? You can't really, can you? We're gonna pause it.